What's going on, you guys? So in January I did a photo shoot of downtown Raleigh, North Carolina, and this was before COVID, and it was a completely different situation. And I went back and did another photo shoot of the same area and the same things that I did a photo shoot on in January, and I just wanted to show you guys with COVID-19, Black Lives Matter, and social injustice protesting that's been going on downtown. I wanted to show you the changes. So I wanted to bring this to you guys, and so with that being said, please like and subscribe to my channel. Watch my videos, because I'm going to start bringing out more content now. But I just want, I have a focus on the kind of photography and videos that I want to do, and it's going to be based on a lot of social injustice and social growth that we're trying to do in our communities, because I want to capture the growth in the communities. With that being said, please enjoy. Peace.